Good morning children. Welcome to our channel BRC Maths Academy. Today in this channel we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1 of the second chapter. In that sixth problem onwards we are going to discuss. Okay. See the sixth question. Write the following sets in a set builder form. In the previous class we already know how to write a set builder form. Set builder form always will be written in the form of x such that x. Okay, like that we will start writing the set builder form. Let us see here. You are seeing that 3, 6, 9, 12. What are these? These are the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means 3 can be written as 3 into 1. 6, 3 into 2, 9, 3 into 3, 12, 3 into 4. See, these are the multiples of 3. So, how to write here as set builder form? X such that x. See, the first x refers to all the elements of the given set. And second x refers to each element. So, here we should write x such that x is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, and you are seeing that these are there up to 12 only. Means what is the next number? Next number is 13, no? So, we should write x less than 13. X less than 13 means, it means below 13 all the multiples of 3 are the given values here for the first question. Coming here, x such that x belongs to, say 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5 means 2 of some exponent model is there. Means here we should write 2 to the power of a. 2 to the power of a, where a belongs to natural numbers. Means in the place of a we have to start writing each value of natural numbers. Suppose 1, 2 power 1, 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 to the power of 4 16, 2 to the power of 5 32, means up to 5 values only we should substitute. So, we should write here below 6. Below 6 means up to 5 values only we are applying here. The same way here also the third problem 5, 25, 125, 625 means this is 5, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power of 4 means it is in the form of 5 to the power of a. Means here we should write x such that x belongs to 5 to the power of a. Then a belongs to natural numbers, and that here also a only, not x value, no? Here a. And a belongs to n, and up to which value we have to substitute here? 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 2, 25, 5 to the power of 3, 125, 5 to the power of 4, up to 4 only we are substituting, means a is less than 5. So, this is the third one. The fourth one, this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and last one is 10 square, means the square of a number. So, here we should write x such that x is square number. Square number, and these squares are given up to 10 now. So, x less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10 means 10 and its below values 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, like that up to 10 square. So, this is the last bit set builder form. Now, we see the seventh question. Write the following sets in a roster form. What is roster form? If we write the elements by putting commas in a set, that is called as roster form. Means the given one is a set builder form, we have to write them by roster form. See the first question, a is equal to x such that x is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So here we have to read clearly greater than 50. Greater than 50 means the natural numbers greater than 50 becomes 51 onwards, 51, 52 like that, and smaller than 100 means here we can write the answer like 51 onwards, 51, 52, 53, so on up to 99 only. Why we should take smaller than 100 is given means we should take below 100. Below 100 means the last number is 99. So this is the first one. Coming here for the second question, x such that x is an integer, x square is equals to 4. So here one equation is given which we have to solve here in the rough work. If x square is equals to 4, x is equals to root 4, isn't it? Square becomes under root that side. So x equals to plus or minus 2, isn't it? Plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2 means minus 2 and plus 2. So here our answer will be minus 2 and plus 2. Okay, minus 2 and plus 2. This is the second one. Now the third one, x such that x is a letter in the word loyal, means in this loyal word each letter we have to separate by commas, L, O, Y, A and L. As we already know that whenever the elements will be repeating, we have to take once only each one. So L comes one time, then afterwards O, then Y and A. This will be the third one. And for the fourth one, x such that x equals to 2n square plus 1, 2n square plus 1, where n value ranges from minus 3 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 3, and n belongs to z. Z means it is the set of integers. So here we should take the values minus 3, including minus 3 and plus 3, the middle values. Middle values means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Means each value we have to substitute in this equation and we will get the answers. If we write all the values in a set, those are called the roster form. Now here you see E equals to, we will write starting here. Let us see minus 3. I am taking the first value minus 3, substitute here. Minus 3 whole square means minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So the first value becomes 19. Now take minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Then minus 1. Minus 1 whole square means plus 1. 1 into 2 2. 2 plus 1 3. 0. If you keep 0 here, 0 square is 0. 0 into something is 0. Finally we will get 1. And if you substitute 1, 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. If you keep 2 here, 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. And substituting 3 here, 3 square is 9, 9 2 are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. See, some elements are repeating here. So let us take in order ones only. First let us write 1, afterwards 3, then comes 9, then 19. Okay. Now the 8th bit, match the roster form with set builder form. See, on the LHS side all are these roster form and these are set builder form. So we have to match them. See, from the right hand side let us match to the left side values. See the first one, x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. He is telling prime numbers all values are, and those all values are divisor of 6. Divisor of 6 means all the values divides 6. All the values divides 6. See, prime numbers means if you see 2, 3, these are prime numbers. Here these are not prime, these are not prime, these are not prime. So, this is only the value to be chosen here. So, these are prime numbers and divisors of 6, divisor of 6. So, we have to match these, means this answer is A. This answer is A. Okay. Now, x such that x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. Odd natural number means odd numbers. Odd numbers, what are they? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. He is asking to take up to 10, below 10. Below 10 means up to 9 only. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. Means the B option suits here. Okay. Coming to the C bit, x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So, natural numbers all values are there and all values divides 6 also, means 1, 2, 3, 6. If you take this option, all these values are natural numbers and each value divides 6. So, we have to write this as C. The rest one, last one is x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. Mathematics means M, comma A, comma T, comma H, E, M, A, T, I, C, S, like that. We have to keep commas, and after repeated elements we should take one time only. So, naturally you will get this option, means the third one will be the D option. In Venn diagrams we will make use of the rectangle and a closed curve. Naturally circles will take. Okay. Suppose this is Venn diagram. I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, I want to represent these two sets in a diagram. So, Venn diagram always we should draw in a rectangular box or rectangle simply. Okay. So, for that I can draw like this. Here at the corner we have to write a mu. Mu means it represents universal set, means a big set which contains all the subsets. Means here we can say 1, 2, 3, 4 all elements are there in this, means we can say A is subset to mu. A is subset to mu, means regarding A, this is A and this is mu, means A is subset to mu. Let us take another example. Mu is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and A is one set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is another set 1, 2, 3. Now, let us represent all this by using the help of a Venn diagram. So, this is mu, and among all these three the smallest one is this one. No? So, we have to write 1, 2, 3. and after 1 2 3 remaining are there here 4 5. So this is A, this is B, this is A, okay, and the remaining elements are there after 5 6 7 8 like that. So like that we can represent. Here if you see B is subset to A, we can write B is subset to A, okay, B is subset to A, like that we can represent. Take another one. A is equals to 1 2 3 4 and one more set I am taking 2 4 5 6. So how can I represent this information? So I am considering this as A, this as B, here universal set mu, and among these two the same elements I can see 2 and 4. So the same elements I can write in the middle, and what are the remaining apart from 2 4? 2 4 means remaining are 1 3, 1 3 I am writing here. If you see the circle A, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 are the elements of A, and for B 2 4 5 6, no, 2 4 already is there, 5 6. So like this we have to represent Venn diagrams, okay. Now the next important topic is union of sets. The word union, you already familiar with the word students union, teachers union, workers union, like that we have already know about the word union. Union means it's the collection, a group. Here also the sets are grouped. Let us take one example. See here I have taken two sets. A is equals to 1 2 3, B is equals to 2 3 4 5. Now I am going to write all the elements of A or B, means 1 2 3 2 3 4 5. If you write each element once only, you will get 1 2 3 4 5. So like that if you join, if you write the elements of either A or B or both, then the set which is formed is called union of sets. Its symbol is A union B. This is the symbol union, 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 okay. This is the symbol for union. Union means A union B means what we did here, we have joined all the elements here and repeated elements we have written once only. So if we write A union B in set builder form, you will come to know its meaning. X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the set builder form. Now if we draw one Venn diagram, I am considering A, this is, this one as B, and this is the universal set. A union B means I am joining all the elements, means here you have to shade like this, you have to shade like this to represent A union B. This is A union B. If you want B union A, this is B union A, A union B, B union A, okay. And here let us take one question example. A is equals to 1 2 3, B is equals to 3 5 7. Find A union B comma B union A. What do you notice? What do you notice? One example we are taking here. A union B means first of all, what is A set? We have to write 1 2 3. Union we have to write, then comes B set. Now you combine all the elements 1 2 3 comma 3 5 7, and finally we will get 1 2 3 5 7. So this is regarding A union B. And B union A, B union A means B set comes first, 3 5 7, union A means 1 2 3. If you combine and write in order, here also you will get 1 2 3 5 7. Are you observing here? Both the answers we are getting same. So we have to conclude that A union B equals to B union A. A union B is equals to B union A. Let us show this with the help of Venn diagram. Suppose A union B. Here universal set, this is A, this is B. What are the common elements here? 3. So 3 will be coming here, 1 2 here, and in the next one 5 7 here. So this represents A union B. And if you want B union A, B union A means B set comes first, then afterwards A. Here mu 3 5 7, here 1 2 3. So like that we can show by using the help of Venn diagrams. So in your exam, if he is asking to find out by using the help of Venn diagrams, you have to do like this. He is simply asking like a problem, then you have to do in this way. Clear? Now let us see intersection of sets. Here I am taking two sets 1 2 3 4, taking another set B 2 3 5 7. Now intersection means this is the symbol which is called as intersection. What is the intersection of sets means we have to take common elements among these two sets. Means the set which contains common elements of both the two sets is called the intersection of sets. Common elements means A intersection B. If we want A 1 2 3 4 intersection B means 2 3 5 7. What are the common elements? Common elements means same elements. If you see 2 and 3 both are there in A and B. So we have to write 2 comma 3 as A intersection B answer. And B intersection A, if you want, first we have to take B, set B. Set B is 2 3 5 7. Intersection A is 1 2 3 4. If you see the common elements, again you will be getting 2 and 3. So by this what we can conclude, A intersection B always will be equal to B intersection A. So how can you represent A intersection B with set builder form? X such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B, and means that lies both in A as well as in B. So, this is A intersection B. Let us draw the Venn diagrams for intersection of sets. Venn diagram. So, if no elements are there, how to draw Venn diagram means A, this is B, universal set. Common means this is the common portion, isn't it? So, this is the common portion we will have. So, this is A intersection B Venn diagram. And if we want to B intersection A, this becomes B, this is A, universal set, the common portion again lies here only. So, this is B intersection A. Now, the same question, if we want to show in Venn diagram, how to show A intersection B we want. What are the common elements? So, 2, 3, no? So, 2, 3 common elements you have to write in the middle. The remaining elements of A 1, 4, 1, 4. This is the set A, this is the set B, and this is mu. And in B set, what are the remaining elements apart from 2, 3? 5, 7. So, where we have to shade, this is the portion which is called as A intersection B. If we want B intersection A, this is B, this is A, universal set, the common elements in the middle, and B 2, 3, 5, 7, no, 2, 3 already is there. So, 5, 7 will come here, and here 1, 4 will come here. So, here we have to shade, this is the common portion. So, like that we have to discuss about the intersection of sets. Now, let us see the difference of sets. Here, take two sets 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Difference means minus, means A 1, 2, 3, 4 minus B means 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is the meaning of difference of sets? A minus B means the elements lies in the set A, but not lies in the set B. That is the meaning of A minus B. A minus B means the elements lies in the set A, but not in the set B. Means the common elements we have to strike off, and only the first set elements we should take. If you see what are the same elements here, both of they are having 2, 3. So, 2, 3 we can cancel among both of these two, and the remaining elements in the first set, what are they? 1, 4. So, this 1, 4 is called A minus B. Why we should not take B means A minus B means only A set elements we should take, but not B, but not, that is. And if we want B minus A, write down the set B 2, 3, 4, 5 first, and A means 1, 2, 3, 4. The common elements, remaining elements are 4, 5, only the set B elements. If you consider, are they equal both or no? A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So, how to represent by set builder form? X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Does not belongs to B means X values we should take from A only, we should not take from B. And how to represent Venn diagram? Venn diagram, considering this is A, this is B, universal set. A minus b means b is completely removed. So the remaining portion which we can see this is called as a minus b. And if we want b minus a, this is b, this is a mu, b means b will be here, okay. Or we can show like this only, but we can shade that side, so that we can say a minus b is not equal to b minus a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So like that we have to do the difference of sets. So these are the basics. So children, you learn all the basics clearly. If you like this channel, you immediately subscribe it and tell to your friends to subscribe. Read all the basics. Okay, thank you children.